Tufts University's Department of Chemical and Biological Engineering prepares you to innovate at the nexus of chemistry, biology, and engineering. Located minutes from the biotech and innovation hubs of Boston and Cambridge, students learn where discovery meets real-world impact. Through Tufts graduate programs, students develop materials and work with biological and chemical systems to address challenges in health, energy, and sustainability.
A current graduate student highlighted that small class sizes have helped build community, close relationships with professors, and a personalized learning environment.
Our alumni work at companies such as Homology Medicines, MIT, Genetics Biotherapeutics, and many more, with position titles such as biochemist, biophysicist, and chemical engineer. Gain hands-on experience through the School of Engineering Graduate Co-op Program, with up to 6 months of full-time work experience. Expand your impact with Tufts dual degree program, combining an MS with a leadership-focused MS from the Gordon Institute.
Learn more at go.tufts.edu/chbe.